Good morning, students. So we are doing second chapter, patterns, and that we are doing patterns in rotation. Last time we have studied how there will be a defects, how we will find the defects in the pattern. Here we have studied few examples. I'll take only one example. In this, the yellow color is here. It goes in the next position here, then it goes here like this, and when it comes here, it is supposed to go to this position, but instead it is going to the next position. Okay, it is leaving the nearby position, it is jumping to one, leaving one space, it is moving to one more step ahead, and so this figure is having a defect in its pattern. Like here, today we will be studying completing the design. The next part in patterns of rotation we will be doing the next part, that is completing the design. Now let us see one example. Renu was painting ceramic plates with the same design as shown. Complete the design. Now here she is made small circles inside this big circle. Now you have to continue this and complete this design. Same, here they have shown S, so you have to draw S here and complete these designs. Here they have shown few blocks, you have to complete these blocks and complete this design. So this is one more type of patterns. Okay, the continuing the same pattern and completing the design. So these are few examples. Now we'll study the second concept, patterns in numbers. Student, before starting this, you should be aware of even number, odd number and tables. So prepare even number, odd number and tables, and then start studying this topic. Now here, in patterns of number in lower classes, you must have studied some patterns. I'll take few examples here. Now here, in patterns of number, you see 1, I'm not a blank place, 3 dash 5 dash 7. So you understand that every alternate number is missing. So that is one pattern, that all the alternate numbers are missing. And if I write that alternate numbers here, what will be my next alternate number? 10. Similarly, if you see in the second example, 35, 30, 25, 20. So in this, if you observe from 35 to 30, it is decreasing by 5. Similarly, if you see the pattern, 30 to 25, again it is decreasing by 5. Similarly, this is decreasing by 5. So my next digit should also follow the same pattern. So 20 minus 5 will be 15. Again, the next is, so from here 15, if I continue the pattern, that is minus 5, I'll get 10. Again, the same pattern, minus 5 will be 5. If you see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you see the pattern in this, either you can say it is addition of 2, or you can say all even numbers. Okay, so any way you can follow. So the next will be 12 and 14. Now how we got 12 and 14? We are adding plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so we are following addition pattern, that is we are increasing the numbers by 2 every time. Now let us understand few more examples which is given in your book. Here if you see 1 3 5 7, in this every time it is increasing by 2. Okay, it is increasing by 2. Now your 125 120 15, it is decreasing by 5 in every step. Now let us revise with few more examples. Now here 2 5 8 11. Okay, now if you see 2 to 5, what is happening? It is increasing by 3. 5 and 8, what is the pattern it is following? Plus 3, again plus 3. So now we have to continue this pattern. So 11 plus 3 is 11, 12, 13, 14. Again 14 plus 3 is 17. Again plus 3 is 18, 19, 20. So this way you will be increasing by plus 3. Now here if you see the second example, the first digit is 2, second place one more 2 is added. Now here one more 2 is added, so the next will be 4 2's. The next will be 5 times 2 and so on. If you see third example, 5 8 13 15. So 5 and 8, what you are observing in 5 and 8, that is addition of 5. Now from 8 to 13, again addition of 5. Here again they have added 5. So this pattern you have to continue. So adding 5 to 18, this is 23. Again I have to add 5, that is 28, and so on. Now here 2 4 8, then it will be 10, 12 and 14. This is already I have discussed. Now here if you see 3 6 12, so what do you observe? From 3 to 6 it goes, it is multiplying by 2. From 6 to 12, again it is multiplying by 2. So 12 into 2 is how much? 12 2s are 24. So into 2 is 48 and so on. So now we will be studying some rules here. Now here patterns of number always have a fixed rules. Okay, they have a fixed rules. All the numbers of a pattern follow a certain rule. Let us now look at some pattern in some of the products of numbers. Now here I'll show you one example. Now consider this sum. Now here 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you see these three numbers, they are consecutive numbers, means back to back numbers, one after another. Okay, the total of these three numbers is 6. If you take 2, 3, 4, you see when you add it is 9, 3, 4, 5. If you add it becomes 12. 4, 5, 6, it becomes 15. Now this much you understand. This is very easy. Now let us see the magic here. Now this 9 is nothing but the previous number plus how many numbers we are adding? Total group of numbers 3 plus 3. Isn't it a magic? Yeah. Now this is total is 12. This is a previous number added by this group. Again 15, previous number, and this 1, 2, 3. So 3. This way we can add, go on adding. And take one more example. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. So now here we are taking a group of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are having a group of 4 numbers. So when we add 2, 3, the next 4 consecutive or back-to-back numbers, the total is 14. So this 10, the previous number, plus the numbers. How many numbers we have taken here? 4 numbers total. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So we are adding 4. If you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the total plus here it will come 5. So students, this is a kind of a magic.